Hello everyone, my name is Hanindya Nasywa Firdaus, and today I'm going to explain a very interesting topics in mathematics. Types of lines. Lines are one of the most basic but important concepts in geometry, and we can find them everywhere in our daily life. So let's explore the different types of line together. Line or line segment. Imagine that we draw 2 points, let's call them point A and point B. If we join these 2 points following a straight path from A to B, we create something called a line segment, and we name it line segment AB. Now, imagine that we draw another 2 points, let's say point C and point D, and we join them creating a line segment CD. But now, imagine that we extend this line segment in both directions. Well, this is not a line segment anymore, instead we have a line. The difference between a line segment and line is that a line segment has a beginning and end. It starts at one point and it ends at another. Whereas a line doesn't, line keeps on going forever in both directions, but since we can actually draw a line that goes on forever, what we do is draw an arrowhead on both ends of the lines to show that keeps on going. Intersecting lines. When two lines meet a common point, they are known as intersecting lines. For example, these lines cross at this point, so we say that they intersect and we call the point an intersection, but we don't always need to see an intersection when two lines intersect. For example, do these lines intersect? Yes, they do. Remember, lines have no ends. In fact, lines in the same plane always intersect, except if they are parallel lines. Parallel lines. Parallel lines are those that never intersect. Even if we extend them forever, they will never cross or even get closer together. For two lines to be parallel, they point in exactly the same direction. All these lines are parallel. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are lines that form square corners when they intersect. These corners are called right angles or 90 degrees angle. That's all for today's lesson about types of line. I hope you enjoyed the explanation and learned something new. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.